Today we're making a video to show you how to create packages in your WHM reseller as well as a feature list if you want to create one. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate to your reseller WHM. Once you're in your reseller WHM, you can search for package in the search tools. Then you can navigate to Feature Manager. You can create a new feature list. In this case, we're just going to name it Test HostAfrica. And here you can add specific features that you want your client cPanel accounts to have access to. So, depending on the needs or the package that you're providing them, you can enable different things. So, in this case, just for this test, we'll choose a few different features. I'm not going to select all of them, it's just for the test. Then click Save, and then we have created our feature list. Next thing you want to do is you want to navigate over to Add a Package, and then you can name your package here. Then you can assign different resources to the package. For example, you can assign disk space quota, the amount of disk usage, amount of monthly bandwidth that the account has, the FTP accounts, email accounts. In this case, I'm just going to leave everything as default, but you can adjust it according to the needs that your clients have and the packages that you want to create. And then down here at Feature List, you can select the feature list that you have created, or you can go with the default one as selected there. And then all you have to do is click on Add, and then this will create your package. So now if we go to edit a package, you will see that your package is there. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like and subscribe icons for more. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Until then, happy hosting.